October box has come. I'm not actually opening it yet, so I thought we'll open it together. So if you're not sure what BakedIn is, it's a subscription box where they send you a monthly surprise recipe with all the dry ingredients, and you have to buy a few fresh ingredients yourself. One of these last month. If you want to check what was in there, I'll leave a link in the description. It's £14 a month. If you would like to try a box, I will leave a £10 off code in my description box. So you can try a box for £4, which is pretty good. Wow, oh wow. Okay, cool. Let's see. So will be making malted millionaire squares. So you got your recipe card here. They also sent a folder last time on my first box. So I'm gonna put these all in the same folder. So you got your recipe card. They look really nice. Here, written here, what's in the box. And what I needed to buy is unsalted butter and some double cream. Yeah, they look really cool. Okay, so I'll show you what's in here. A present to you, what can only be described as a Willy Wonka of the tea world, bird and blend tea. Got a little surprise item. We've got some tea bags in here, black tea and a fruit tea and another black tea. So that's some tea bags. Definitely need a tea with this millionaire square. So everything's numbered. So you've got, tells you here actually. So bag 1 is plain flour. Got some plain flour. We've got some malted hot chocolate powder. We've got some sugar, demerara sugar. We've got some dark chocolate chips. And we've got some Malteballs. Maltesers. Oh, okay, so we also got some coupons in here last month. We've also got the baking paper that should fit into our baking tray. Let's see what's inside here. So this month's coupons are all plant, deodorant stuff. So I look forward to baking this and I will let you know how it turns out. Bye!